Hi guys, I'm ready for my next video of you guys following along a beginner gardener learning how to garden. It's finally the time to start our seeds in our peat pellets, so I'm going to show you the process of that. First, you're going to need peat pellets, obviously. You got these large ones and these small ones. You're going to need seeds, trays, any kind of tray. I'm just using these meal prep trays that I had around the house, and water. And then labels. I'm extra and I like to use a label maker. It's definitely, you don't need that, I just think it looks cute. But in the small ones, you're going to be able to plant your greens and your peas and onions. In the large ones, you can do tomatoes and peppers. And what you're going to need to do, obviously, first is just put your peat pellets in a tray and add water like I've done. We're wanting it to expand, so you can see this is where it started. Keep adding, like this is my second time adding water to these. Just keep adding them until the top here is nice and wet. And after that, we're gonna put our seeds in, and I'll show you how to do that once these all expand. So I'm starting with spinach first. These are all ready, and what you wanna do is just kind of peel back this netting. And then with like a pencil or a pen, this is probably a little too big, but it's okay. Poke a hole in there. And then you're gonna get 2 to 3 seeds and just drop it in there and cover it back up and put it back in the tray. So you can see I got my seeds in there. Sorry, it's super windy today. But I'm just gonna put that back up and you're good to go. I'm gonna be doing 6 of these, 6 romaine, 6 arugula, and 6 onion. These all planted, and with the big ones, since they are larger plants, you're going to want to do your tomatoes and your peppers, also the sugar snap peas, because they just grow really quickly. And it's going to be the same thing, except I'm going to poke holes, not just one in the center, maybe like one. I probably won't even poke holes, I'll probably just poke them in with the sugar snap. As you can see, they're bigger seeds, so I am just gonna poke these ones into the soil and cover them up. Now with tomatoes, what you want to do is, open up the mesh, fluff up the soil a little bit, and you just want to put about 3 tomatoes or 3 seeds each. And we're gonna just lightly cover it. You don't want these too deep. And I'll do this the same with my other tomatoes that I have. And that will be good. So now all we have to do is put them in our little Sterilite container box. And the only thing you need to worry about with this is that it's about 2 to 3 inches above or under the light. That will just give you nice strong roots and they're not reaching for the light. Once these start growing a little bit more, I can lower it so it's always 2 to 3 inches. And then you just want to create some airflow. You don't want this completely closed. So that's for this one. And then for the tomatoes and peppers, it's recommended that you get a heat mat because they like warm soil. And same thing with this. You want to create some airflow. Just have it 2 to 3 inches from the light. And that's it. Here comes spring. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are an experienced gardener and I made a mistake, please let me know. down below. And if you have any questions, also leave any questions you have down below and let me know if you're getting started with me. So exciting. Thanks for watching. Thanks. Bye.